What's good, YouTube? It's Nash here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make a clean and cool YouTube banner. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe right now and also like this video if you want to see more videos like this. So I'll be showing you guys how you can make a clean YouTube banner on your Android device, and this can also work on iOS. So what you need to do is go to the link in the description, download this app called Pixel Lab. Now once you download this app called Pixel Lab, you just go over to this place. Make sure you open up the app, go over here, click on edit, and once you click on edit, just edit the text to whatever you want. I'm going to be using my name, so you click on OK. Now once you have it like this, we're going to increase the size of the text. Now you make it bigger, and once you make it bigger, click on the check mark. Now once you click on check mark, the next thing you have to do is go to the font and change it to what you want, whatever you want. I'm going to be using this one. This one looks cool. You click on OK, and then you just change the background to transparent, and then you're good to go. Save your image as a PNG file, and we are heading to the next. Okay, so as you guys can see, we are back at Photoshop Touch. This is the second app, and the link is in the description below. So just go click the link there, download this app also, because you will need it. So once you get the app installed, just click on this plus sign here and change the width to 2560, and then change the height to 1440. Now once you change it like this, just click on OK, and it's gonna open up a blank project that you can see here. Now once you get this, just click on this plus at the bottom and click on photo layer. Then once you click on photo layer, we're gonna be adding some something that's gonna guide me through this banner making. This is gonna be, the link of this will also be in the description. If you want to use it, you can get it. It's just like a guideline. Now the next thing you need to do is select this empty layer. As you can see here, take it, sorry for what I just did. Select this empty layer and take it to the top. As you can see, it's at the top right now. So the next thing I'll have to do right now is click on this sign. As you can see, you guys should just follow what I do and you'll get your banner done. We're gonna be doing a clean banner. So you change this to fill, and you change the color to something nice. We'll just have to look for a very nice and decent color, something that's attractive. So we're gonna be using this color. So you click on the check mark, and as you can see, it's looking nice. If I drag it down, it's looking like a little bit cool banner already. So the next thing we'll have to do now is add some maybe background stuff. I don't know, I'm gonna be using this gaming background I have here. You click on it and add it to the project. Now it's gonna have its own layer. As you can see, the rest things have their own layer there. So you're just gonna click on the check mark. I added the banner already. So now we're gonna take this yellow above it, and then we're gonna change the I don't know what they call that. We're gonna change it to overlay. As you can see, it's looking nice and cool already. So you can see it's very awesome, and it's looking so good right now. Just change the opacity to 72, and it's looking great already. So this is like a nice gaming banner. You can use this. It's very nice. So the next thing and the final thing on this banner we're gonna add is the text. So the text we did on Pixel Lab before, we're gonna be adding that inside right now. So all you have to do is scroll to your folder as usual, and you're gonna see the text here. Just click on add, and once you click on add, it's gonna go right in for you. And as you can see, your text is already in the banner. I should say right now the text is in the banner, so you don't have to worry about adding it. You can see you just added the text. Now the next thing you just need to worry about is adding some effects, so some cool effects to the text. So you just click on that sign again and click on fill and stroke once again. Click on stroke, and then once you click on stroke, it's gonna have something like that for you. I'm gonna be using 5. I put 5 and click on the check mark, and then I'm gonna be changing it to black color, because that's what's gonna stand out. So once you click on that, click on the check mark, and it's looking nice already, but not too nice. So we're gonna have to add a drop shadow. So you click on drop shadow, you add a drop shadow, and I'm gonna be using 14. As you can see, click on the check mark, and it's looking nice already. Now it's looking good and cool and clean. It's like a clean gaming banner, so it's looking nice. So the next thing you need to do right now is save it. But if you don't want to save it like this, just want to make it look a little bit cool, maybe just a little bit, you just like slant it like this a little bit, and it's looking absolutely great. So you can see, once you want to save it, just remove this, just click on this. As you can see, the layer is going to turn off, and click here and click save, and it's gonna save. So now we're gonna head now to the logo. Now we're back at the menu of Photoshop Touch, and once you're back at the menu, all you just have to do is click on this button at the top here, click on save to gallery, and we're gonna be saving what we just designed, you know, as you can see there. Then you click on OK, and it's gonna save into your phone. So once you click on OK and it's saved, then the next thing you're gonna have to do now is click on the plus sign, click on you know, a new project as we did on the start, and change the width this time to 1000 and the height this time to 1002. So once you change it to 1000, you know, the bolt 1000, and you're just going to have to resize this and click on photo layer, go to Adobe Photoshop Touch folder, add the banner we just designed. You know, this is just an easy process of getting your logo done. So you add the banner we just designed, and you just have to resize it, and this is all about good timing. You know, you just have to put it in the right way. So as you can see, your logo is looking nice already and done. But if you wish to, you know, make the logo a little bit bigger, you just have to resize this again, change it, and click on the check mark, and you can see it's looking nice already. But for me, I'm gonna go with the previous one. That one looks better, or you just have to do it anyway. But anyway you like to do it, you just leave it. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you think it's helped you in any way, smash that like button and subscribe to this channel if you're new, because that will help me a lot and it will show that you guys enjoy my video. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.